In 2026, the biggest mistake you can make with AI is trying to get rich quick. Because the people making real money aren't chasing trends. They're quietly building leverage. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what that leverage is and why most people will miss it. Setting the stakes. Every major technological shift creates two groups of people: those who use the tool and those who build systems around the tool. In the Industrial Revolution, workers used machines. Factory owners built empires. In the Internet era, people posted content. Platforms captured the value. AI is no different. But what's different this time is how accessible leverage has become. Pause. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need millions in funding. And you don't need to invent new AI models. But you do need to understand where money actually flows in 2026. Why most RE side hustles fail. Let's address the elephant in the room. AI copywriting. AI dropshipping. AI art prompts. AI YouTube automation. These aren't scams, but they are overcrowded. By 2026, using AI is no longer a skill. It's a baseline expectation. If everyone has access to the same tools, the value doesn't come from the tool. It comes from distribution, trust, ownership, and systems that compound. And that leads us to the real opportunity. But to understand it, we need to rewind. A short history of digital wealth. In 2005, YouTube creators made money from ads. But YouTube made billions. In 2010, app developers made apps. But Apple took a percentage of every transaction. In 2020, creators built audiences. Platforms monetized attention. The pattern is always the same. The biggest money isn't in doing the work. It's in owning the rails. And in 2026, AI has created an entirely new set of rails. The core shift in 2026. Here's the shift most people don't see. AI is no longer about automation. It's about decision-making. Businesses don't just want faster work. They want better decisions, predictable outcomes, lower risk. And that changes everything. Because the most valuable AI businesses in 2026 aren't tools. They are AI-powered systems that solve one painful, expensive problem for one specific group of people. This is where the real money is made. The big idea, cliffhanger reveal. So what is the best way to make money with AI in 2026? It's not building the next ChatGPT. It's not selling prompts. It's not viral automation. It's this: owning a niche AI-powered business that replaces a costly human process. And once you understand this, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. What niche RE businesses actually are. Let's make this concrete. Imagine an AI system that qualifies real estate leads automatically. An AI that reviews insurance claims before a human ever sees them. An AI that generates compliance reports for small law firms. An AI that manages customer support for SaaS companies. These businesses, they sell outcomes. And that's why companies are willing to pay thousands per month for them. Why this model wins in 2026. Here's why this model dominates in 2026. 1. Businesses hate uncertainty. 2. Labor is expensive. 3. AI reduces both. If your AI system saves a company, one employee, one lawsuit, or one major mistake, you are no longer a tool. You are infrastructure. And infrastructure gets paid every single month. But I'm not technical. The myth. This is where most people stop. I'm not technical. I can't code. I don't understand AI. But here's the truth. In 2026, building AI systems is easier than ever. The hard part is not technology. The hard part is understanding a business problem, talking to customers, packaging a solution. The winners aren't engineers. They are translators. The exact framework. Every successful AI business in 2026 follows the same framework. Step 1. Pick a niche with money and pain. Step 2. Identify one repetitive, expensive task. Step 3. Replace or assist that task with AI. Step 4. Charge based on value, not usage. Step 5. Lock it in with subscriptions. That's it. Simple doesn't mean easy. but it is repeatable. Realistic income expectations. Let's talk numbers. This is not a get-rich in 30 days strategy. Most successful AI businesses in 2026 take 3 to 6 months to validate. Reach $5,000 to $20,000 per month within the first year. Scale by refining, not reinventing. And the best part? They are defensible. Because once a business relies on your system, leaving is painful. Why this opportunity won't last forever. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. This window won't stay open forever. As AI becomes standardized, competition will increase. But right now, we are still early enough. That execution beats credentials. In 5 years, this will be normal. In 2026, it's still rare. What most people will do instead? Most people will chase trends, copy viral ideas, jump from tool to tool, and they'll wonder why nothing sticks. Meanwhile, a smaller group will pick one boring problem, solve it deeply, and quietly build wealth. History is very clear about who wins. The biggest mindset shift. The biggest shift isn't technical. It's psychological. Stop asking, how do I make money with AI? Start asking, what expensive problem can I remove? AI is just the lever. You are the strategist. Final cliffhanger and future vision. In the next decade, most people won't lose jobs to AI. They'll lose jobs to people who know how to use AI strategically. The real divide won't be rich versus poor. It will be system builders versus system users. And the choice is still yours. Natural ending. AI isn't here to replace ambition. It's here to reward clarity. And if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Don't chase AI. Build around it.